Yeah, so it's the night before, and it's like, what, 12 o'clock, and we gotta wake up at 4. So I'm gonna just go to sleep right now. But I wanna sleep in the car. So I see y'all in the morning.
You got me singing la la la. Love it when you get it going, don't stop. You put it down and I light it up. That's just the way that we love. You got me singing la la la. Love it when you get it going, don't stop.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back and it's like 5:30 and we just woke up and we're about to get in the room. So I'm so sleepy, but I'll get back to y'all when we get on the road.
Town or the Penn Quarter area. In an effort to free up more parking spaces more often, the city has created a new parking meter pricing scale. So
And we're checking into our hotel. I'm gonna show y'all the hotel when we get up there. So, living room, kitchen, and come back, man. Got personal, bed, closet. You got it. None of your comments. And then we have this bed, like that is just a beach over there. Oh, trees blocking, but we got a pool here, and that's about it. Ugh. But yeah, ooh, what of that? Back, y'all. And I'm just outside enjoying the view. It's not all that, but still enjoying it. Anyways, we just sitting out here. I don't know if we went to the pool, so I don't know if I should end this yet. So just stay tuned because yeah, so I'm just chilling because I don't know what we're going to do. But if we go, I'll be right back. Y'all have pictures coming. Oh, why I thought that was a bird. Y'all have pictures coming tomorrow. I want to see him catch the fish. Thumbnails.